Welcome to this test prep skill video covering strategies for solving questions on standardized tests such as the SAT, ACT, GRE, MCAT, and DAT. My name is Matthew and I'll be your learning guide for this question. A 26-foot ladder is leaning up against a wall such that the base of the ladder is exactly 10 feet from the edge of the wall. Suddenly, the ladder slides down the wall exactly 42 inches. How far from the edge of the wall is the base of the ladder now in feet? Start by drawing a picture. Assuming your wall is here on the left, we know that the 26-foot ladder is exactly 10 feet from the wall. Using 5, 12, 13 special triangles, Pythagorean triples, we can find quickly that the height of the ladder is exactly 24 feet. You can also use the Pythagorean theorem. But what we know is that it slides down exactly 42 inches. 42 divided by 12 is 3.5 feet. So that means in our new drawing, which is not to scale, but we know that it's now 20.5 feet, and the ladder is still 26 feet. And yes, we're trying to solve for the base of the triangle. You can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, the Pythagorean theorem for this one. You have to be pretty fast with your squares. 20.5 squared plus b squared equals 26 squared. 26 squared is 576. Now 20.5 squared is between 20 squared and 21 squared. So 20 squared is 400, 21 squared is 441. So let's just call it 420, just to round in the middle. B squared, subtract from both sides. B squared equals 100 and, this is 676. That makes this 256, and B is exactly 16, and that is close enough for this answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when my latest instructional videos are posted. To learn more about how you can accelerate your learning, visit tutoringbymatthew.com and schedule your lesson today.